And how can companies license your polymer technology? What are some of the typical terms? How do you work with companies at that stage?
If it's my proprietary patented polymer systems, we license the technology with the customer royalty payments based on the product sales. If it is already existing polymer systems, which doesn't have a proprietary position, we'll make the polymer, provide to the customer, and customer does whatever they want to do. We don't know exactly what they want to do it. It's like we supply drug delivery polymers to the customer. We don't know what kind of drug they use, what kind of formulations they have. We supply routinely the polymer with our specifications.
How easy or how hard is it to license your technology for a company? What's the process usually? How long does it take?
I don't think very easy. There's no problem with the licensing the technology. Simple agreement. In the beginning, we can have a exploratory agreement if something good come out of it, and based on the customer and the polymer system, we can work with very flexible terms.
Great.
I cannot demand for large amounts of royalties and all this stuff for startup companies. We really want to work with startup companies. We have a lot of technology. We have over 55 patents assigned to Bezwada Biomedical. We are open to work with the startup companies with open arms.
You mentioned working on an NSF SBIR phase 2 grant now. Are you open to doing joint applications, SBIR grants with startups?
Sure. We have a lot of technology. If startups looking for a technology, I have a problem with their current product, we'll be very happy to work with startup companies.